Hey guys, I wanted to give you really favorite recipe of mine. It's a keto recipe, so if we're talking about trying to start losing weight, changing your diet, this is the best, well, this is one of the best things that's great for breakfast. It's keto, it's breakfast pizza, and it doesn't have any bread in it whatsoever, so I'll show you how to do it. It's 3 eggs, it's maybe a quarter cup onion, just a little bit, and then we're going to use some pepperoni slices, and then some mozzarella, a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. So heat your skillet, and then also heat your oven, and we're going to use the broiler on the oven, and it's really quick, it's really good too. So here we go. Alright, so the skillet is already preheated, and we're going to put just a little bit of butter in there. Then we're going to put in a little bit of onion here. That may be a little much, but anyway, we're going to saute that just a little bit. But while that's doing the softening, we're going to put in the pepperonis. We're just going to put them around kind of like you would a pizza, flat, so they can cook up. We're going to wait till the pepperonis cook a little more, and then we're going to pour the egg in. Okay, so now that the pepperonis have cooked a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit of fennel seed, just a little. That's what makes pizza good. And then we're going to do a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, a little more than that. And then we're going to pour in our eggs here. So after the eggs have set just a little bit, then we're going to pour some mozzarella cheese over it. Okay, once the eggs have now set a little bit, we're going to put some mozzarella cheese, again from Costco, and we're going to just sprinkle that kind of evenly. I'd say maybe half a cup, or you put how much cheese you want on there. There we go. We're going to turn off the oven, and then we're going to put it on the top rack in the oven on broil. All right. So it's been about a minute, somewhere in there. As you can see, the egg has set. It's loose. What we'll do, it's kind of hot. And there is our breakfast pizza right there. And here we have it right here. This is really good. A very good breakfast for you too. And you can put salsa on there if you want. Scott's Gourmet salsa, in fact. Or just leave it plain. It's really good. See ya.